is up, guys? Wow. Look at these sweet trucks. Anywho, we're heading up to Brookhaven. We're in Brookhaven already. We're headed to Brookhaven Power Sports. I called them, and they've got me some goodies in from my Outlander. I'm gonna go pick them up. Might put them on today, I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. So I'm just gonna go in there, pick it up real quick, and we'll unbox it when I get out. Alright guys, we are heading out. Y'all come see this place. Brookhaven Power Sports. They're great people. Give you great service. They got me this thing that I got for a pretty good deal. But yeah, guess I'll go ahead and let y'all see what I got. This Mbrp exhaust for the bike. Never really got into exhaust too much, but I've heard this one on another bike that they got there. I guess it was like a custom build or something, but it sounded really good. It was quiet. It wasn't like super loud. We do a lot of riding in places where you don't need to really have a loud bike. If it is too loud, I can always put my stock bike back on, but I just wanted to get one because I liked it and I wanted it. But yeah, when I get home, I'll unbox it and we'll check it out, see what it looks like. Alright guys, we made it back. We're gonna open this thing up and check it out. There's all your clamps and looks like some directions. Where are those down there? And then the exhaust itself. On this one-handed, so hopefully I don't just drop it on the ground. It sucks. And then we got the mid bike. It all looks pretty good so far. Alright, sorry about that. I couldn't get it with one hand. But there it is. Looks ultra sweet. Got a nice looking tip on it. The spark arrestor. Well, we got this thing out. We might as well go ahead and just throw this thing on there. I know sure I'm ready to. Alright guys, so the first step's going to be, we're just going to take this bolt off. That just loosens up where it connects at. I'm going to have to take this bolt right here off. I'm sure there's another one on the other side. Alright guys, just gonna go ahead and take this bolt out, and there's another one on the other side that's exactly the same, but it's just on the top. I do believe that the new exhaust comes with all new stuff to put it on, so you can just set your old stuff to the side. Alright, in this bottom here you have to get you a wrench. It's a 13mm, and then you have to pop your trunk on the back here, and there's a little hole, and stick your extension through. That one off. And then this thing should just slide off. Okay guys, got this thing off. It was so hard to get this thing off. I literally, you're gonna laugh, I literally stuck the winch in that little hook and had to get it tight and beat it at the same time just to get it to come off. But now we're gonna get this new one in there, so stay tuned. Alright guys, I got this thing on. Installing it was pretty easy. Hard part was actually getting the exhaust off, the old exhaust. Yeah, let's start this thing up. Let's listen to it. Alright, yeah, that sounds pretty great. So if you're looking for a decently not too loud exhaust, go check out Mbrp. I think it's the Performance Edition. Comes stainless with the black tip. It sounds wonderful. We'll get out tomorrow, do a little bit of riding, see how it sounds then. Till then, I'll catch y'all guys later.